Running meta ad, it's not so difficult nowadays. Anyone can click a few buttons and launch a campaign. But the important part is to making the campaign profitable, where most beginner fails. They waste money, stop campaigns too early and then say, oh, meta ad don't work for me. It's not true. So in this video, I will show you the most common problems done by the beginners and how to solve them. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, not giving your campaign enough time. Many beginners launch a campaign. After a few hours, they start checking results again and again. And if they find out there is no sales coming from their campaign, they just turn off the campaign immediately. This is a big mistake because at the beginning, Meta tries to understand who is your customer, who have interest on your product, who can buy your product, or which placement can bring sales for you. In the beginning, your campaign is in the learning phase. You cannot judge a campaign within one day because the algorithm have not collected any data yet. So let the campaign run for at least 2 to 3 days before making any decision. Mistake number 2, using only broad targeting at early stage. There is a trend in online that people say, just launch your campaign with broad targeting, no need to add interest. Broad targeting works only after when Meta knows who is your audience. With new ad account, Meta has no idea who is your ideal audience. Suppose you are selling a baby diaper. With no data, Meta might show your ads to the teenagers, the people who don't have any baby, the people who have no interest on parenting. Your money will be wasted. Solution. So in the beginning, use at least 3 to 5 interest. Once you get 50 to 60 conversion on your pixel, then you can go for broad targeting or advantage plus campaign. Remember this, guide Meta first, Meta will guide you later. Mistake number 3, not testing enough creative. Today your creative decides most of your success on online. According to metadata, around 56% conversion depend on your creative. But the beginner makes a mistake. They just use 2 or 3 creatives and start running them for the whole month. Audience keeps seeing the same ad again and again. They got bored, sales go down, clicks go down, frequency go higher. For example, you are running a clothing business. You show the same t-shirt ad for 20 days. People who has interest, they already purchase. Who don't have interest, they already get bored watching the same creative. Solution. Use at least 3 to 5 creative. Change hook and angles. Show different messages to your customers. Suggested creative style. You can show them testimonial, problems and solution video, price and offer focused video, or you can create urgency message such as limited stock, early bird offer and other offer. Mistake number 4. Making too many edits during learning phase. When results are not so good in first 2 days, many advertisers start editing their campaign. They change the age, they change the gender, change the campaign structure, placements and edit many things on their campaign. Every time you make a major change, your campaign again go to the learning phase. That means the algorithm must go to the learning phase again and understanding the campaign from the beginning. So don't make a major change until you get 20 to 30 conversions on your pixel. You can make a little bit adjustment like turning off the poor campaign, but do not change the entire setup every day. Trust the process, give the learning time. Number 5. Not tracking data properly. Many advertisers checks only ROAS and purchase, but that is not enough. At the beginning you should check which ad group converts better, which gender have more interest on your product, which placements works better, add to cart is to purchase ratio, checkout is to purchase ratio. If you find out any age group is doing better, you can increase your budget on that age group. Important note, because of privacy update, Metapixel cannot track data properly. So you should set up conversion API on your website to get accurate data. Accurate data helps in accurate optimization. Meta definitely works. Most campaign fails because the beginner did not give enough time to the algorithm. See you in the next video.